Good morning. Thank you for joining us. We are together this morning for our Birdsong Facebook Live, and we're going to show one new kit here today. Clearly, that is the fabric or the quilt behind us. Amy whipped up this sample, I should say, pretty quickly. It's a pretty easy pattern, stars, a lot of little pieces to keep in order, but other than that, it is completely a doable quilt. And it is the Elizabeth Hartman Star Systems quilt. So for those of you that use or love Elizabeth Hartman, it is a multi-textural quilt, and we love that about hers. The kit includes everything you need to make the top, plus, that's my alarm saying it's time for Facebook Live. Here's the kit cover, you know, the pattern here. But if you look, I don't know if you can get this, Vicki, if you look on the back, there's even enough fabric, well, for the piece backing and maybe even another small quilt. She's very generous.
In the binding.
And the binding. So she's very generous in the fabrics that she uses. And this completed quilt is, do we know how big it is, Amy?
It's 80 by 80.
80 by 80. That's a great size quilt, and the kit costs $210. So this kit is available, and we are going to take this. Should I show the kit? Is this a full one? Mm-hmm. So this is a new kit. It comes with the layer cakes, the background pieces, so you've got plenty of fabric here. It's a hefty kit. It's 3 layer cakes.
There's a print and a solid, and then
there's a print layer cake.
that's the solid.
There's a solid layer cake.
There's actually 2 prints.
There's 2 prints and a solid.
And another print. So layer cakes cost $42, right? So 3 times 42, you can understand why it's a $200 kit. But it is a great size, and we would love for you to take one home. Amy knows how to make it, so if you have questions making it, or if you're interested in having a class just to do the one block, we can do that. Just let us know. And like I was about to say, we're going to take this to our one-stop shop hop today or tomorrow. So remember, everyone, I know you know this because it's a very popular show, but this weekend is the one-stop shop hop of the Bluegrass. It's a very popular show. It's at the Paraquet Springs Conference Center in Shepherdsville, just south of Louisville. Very fast and easy to get to, and we always have a large booth. So we would love to have you there. We're going to be taking our new cave. We've cut every single bolt of cave for those collectors to stash up on some of the older ones that we have, because we've been collecting cave since 2016. And so come out and visit. Vicki and Amy do a great job with the booth, and we'll even have a handy quilter there. So reminder, we just had our handy quilter truck event, and I would venture to say everybody had a great time. It's a lot of work, but a lot of fun, and people learn so much. There were a few that couldn't make it this week because of previous obligations, and we have a big event, another one coming December 1st through 3rd. So, and the event December 1st through 3rd, we'll have, I think, 6 machines, 1 national educator, and look for our email and newsletter and blog post about what dates and what classes we have specifically. Those should be in probably by the end of next week. We're going to give Vicki a little break after the show. So we've done 3 big events in pretty much 5 weekends. So we're all exhausted, and we're looking forward to coming back to the shop and regrouping and setting up beautiful things. While the girls have been gone doing events and shows, we have gotten at least 3 new lines in here. One is blue and gold metallic. It's gorgeous, reminiscent of the peacocks, but from a different manufacturer, and some sweet blue butterflies and birds. What else? I think that's all I'm supposed to tell you today. Yeah. So the girls are giving me the time to sign off. I'm rambling. You guys have a great day. We'll see you this weekend, and thanks for joining us.